All right, guys, here's a layout for the bedroom number one or master. When you walk in on the right, 33-inch wide vanity, drawer stack on the left, these are 21 deep. The opposing vanity, same width. That space in there is 36, so this cabinet's 33, so that matches the other vanity width. Paint grade. That's what we've got for that vanity, and the rework on the kitchen after the field measurement. So if we make this wall a little bit deeper, the under counter fridge, cabinets left and right, floating shelves, and our uppers here. Dishwasher, there's a panel to the left. The trash, that modified trash, and a panel on the right. And then we'll have paneling on the back of the island. And this is Rift sawn, white oak for the island. Our fridge cabinet with the fridge legs, this being rift, so we'll have a transition right here with the crown molding. A standard cabinet centered on the window, glass. The L-shaped corner upper, our Lazy Susan. Microwave underneath this cabinet, and this cabinet's a little bit 14 deep, and these are 12 deep. Tray divider, and the drawer stack on the right. Center of the ducting's here on this line, so you have a little jog. Rift white oak on the base. These are painted. The window wall, rift white oak. The fridge leg and this cabinet rift, painted, painted, and painted. And the island is painted. Rift white oak floating shelves. These are painted, and then these two are rift oak. In the front of the island, this is that panel, the trash rolled out in here, and then on the back of the island we have shaker panels. All right, let me know if that works. Thanks, guys.